Good morning, dear students. Welcome you all in your English class. So, dear students, today we are going to start a new chapter of my English reader book. And do you know about the chapter? The name of the chapter is An Inch of Gold, and it is your chapter number 18 of your reader books. So, before starting the chapter, let us discuss about inch. You know that inch is a mathematical term and 1 inch is approximately equal to 2.54 centimeter. Okay. So whenever you will see your scale, you will also see centimeter at the one side and inches at the other side. So check your scale and see about see inches and as well as centimeters. Okay, so 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter. So now we are going to discuss all the difficult words of this chapter. So first one is prayed. Prayed means worshipped or begged. Next one, clothes. Clothes are woven stuff or worn to cover the body. So next is knife. Knife is a metal blade or a cutting tool. We can also say a cutting tool. Next one is troubled. So troubled means disturbed. After that, bleed. Bleed means to lose blood. Next, agreed. Agreed means to be ready or only one opinion. Ball, a deep cup, or we can also say a deep basin. Shocked, sudden effect on mind, or surprised. Okay, so these were the difficult word meaning of this chapter. Now let us move toward the story of the chapter. This chapter having a very nice story about a lady and her 7 sons. Okay, so now we are going to start this chapter. A poor family and his wife lived in a village. Okay, a poor family, a poor farmer and his wife. Okay, a poor farmer with his wife lived in a village. Here you can see this lady, she is the wife of the farmer. They had 7 sons. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So she had 7 sons, and what the sons were lazy. You can see as well as on the picture that all the sons, they are sleeping. Okay, they are not doing anything. They did not work, so the family was very poor. That's why the family was very poor. Only farmer and his wife, they both worked, but all the 7 sons, they were very lazy and they did not work, and that was the reason that father's family was very poor. So next one night the woman had a dream. One night what happened, that farmer's wife, she had a dream. Here she had a dream, you all can see. A snake came to her and told her that if she kept milk for him every night, he would come to her. Okay, so in dream what did she see? That she saw that a snake came, and the snake told that every day she had to kept milk for him every night, and he would come to her every night. Okay, he told her to cut off an inch of his tail every night. Okay, and the snake told to her that whenever the snake will come, so what she has to do, she had to cut 1 inch of the snake's tail. It would turn into gold, and whenever she would cut 1 inch of snake's tail, the tail would convert into gold. So the woman kept a ball of milk in her room at night. So what did the woman do? She kept a ball of milk in her room at night. The snake came and drank the milk. Drunk. So then she took out a knife and cut an inch of his tail. It turned into gold. Every night the same thing happened. So happened word comes from happened. So next day what happened? The poor family now became rich. Now every day whenever they were getting 1 inch of the gold, then what happened? The family became rich. You know that 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. So they had money for food. Now they had everything. They had money for food. They had good clothes. Okay. The 7 boys were dressed in good clothes. What they wanted? More and more money to spend. All the 7 sons, they were lazy as well as greedy. So they wanted more and more money. So they begged their mother to cut 2 inches of the snake's tail. So they begged that whenever the snake will come, then what she has to do? She had to cut 2 inches of the snake's tail instead of 1 inch. The mother did not agree. First of all, mother refused. She was not agree. But the sons troubled her a lot. At last, the mother agreed. Okay, but the sons, they were, they troubled her a lot. They disturbed her a lot, and finally, she was willing to do whatever they were saying. That night, when the snake came, she gave him the ball of milk. Then she took the knife and cut 2 inches of his tail. Now what happened? She cut 2 inches of his tail. Here you can see the snake is drinking milk, and the woman she has cut 2 inches of the snake's tail. The snake started bleeding. Within a few minutes, the snake was dead. Okay, so what happened? When she cut 2 inches of the snake's tail, then the snake started bleeding. What? Every day when she cut 1 inch of the snake's tail, then the snake's tail turned into gold. But now when she cut 2 inches of the snake's tail, now the snake started bleeding and it was dead. The woman was shocked. She was surprised. She cried loudly. Okay. The 7 sons came. They saw that the 2 inches of the snake's tail had not turned into gold. Okay. When they saw that the 2 inches of the snake's tail, it had not turned into gold, alas, they cried. Here the word alas is feeling of sorrowness, expressing the feelings of sorrowness or sadness. They cried, "We were greedy, now we have no gold and the snake is dead." So finally they realized that now that we were greedy, and due to our greedy behavior, what we have done, we have killed the snake and we have no gold now. So dear students, what moral do we get from this chapter? That greed is curse, or don't be greedy. Okay, so this was the chapter An Inch of Gold. So dear students, you all have to read this chapter with proper fluency and correct pronunciation. Thank you and have a nice day to all of you.